Take a look. We're going to show you the latest numbers here. They are a tropical depression. Hurricane hunters checked it out, though, and found a well-organized tropical depression, and that's why the forecast is for intensification. In fact, because the warm waters of the deep Caribbean, this is Nicaragua and Honduras, are, well, about the warmest left in the season in our tropical basin. We call it the Atlantic Basin, and because upper-level conditions are ripe for the overall system to vent, that is, to breathe. Actually, the forecast would be for rapid intensification if it were not for the forecast to go over land areas. Nonetheless, as this tropical cyclone, depression, probably storm, then a hurricane, heads into the northwest Caribbean and then the Gulf of Mexico, the forecast is for at least a Category 1 hurricane. And again, there are some indications it could become even stronger. Again, then making landfall in the U.S. somewhere. Remember, this is the cone of uncertainty between Biloxi and Cedar Key. The focus lately has been Apalachicola, Tallahassee, and Panama City. But that does include the western portions of our area, at least with some risk of flooding rains and tornadoes. Let's break it down for you. Actually, on Saturday, we'll probably be in between the nor'easter we're having and then whatever Nate will produce in our area. So we'll be watching Nate in the Gulf of Mexico, making landfall somewhere near Tallahassee, at least as far as the overall eye wall. The worst of our weather would be late Sunday and Monday. The location of the worst of the weather from Lake City to about Waycross. But what about the nor'easter? We'll talk about our coastal flood warning in just a few moments.